Good afternoon. Albuquerque Public Schools settled a case with a family after a teacher abused a student in the classroom. It's just the beginning of what the school district will likely pay as they face 5 more lawsuits involving that teacher. But a federal judge doesn't think taxpayers need to know how much APS is paying to settle these cases. There are 6 cases filed against Danny Aldaz and Albuquerque Public Schools, accusing both of failing to protect students. As of today, 5 are pending, with the latest being filed on Wednesday. Only 1 has been settled. A public information request asked APS to disclose how much the settlement cost the district. But federal judge Laura Fashing ordered that information not be released, despite the numerous cases against APS and Aldaz.
It was in that closet where the defendant committed the crime of criminal sexual penetration of a child under 13.
Aldaz was sentenced to 57 years after a jury found him guilty of 4 counts of criminal sexual penetration for raping a 7-year-old in his classroom at Via Vista Elementary multiple times between 2018 and 2019. One of the victims told the court how his actions impacted her life.
This has affected my life so much that most days I get scared to even walk through the school doors, and it's even harder for me to sit in a classroom and focus, because the first thing that my mind goes to is all of the gruesome things that this man has done to me.
Judge Fashing said the IPRA request was denied because she prohibited those involved from disclosing any details about the settlement, including the monetary amount. She also said that she is a federal judge and her orders supersede IPRA requests, adding that there is no provision in state statute that prohibits her from doing this. Aldaz had several accusers and was facing 4 trials, but those charges were dismissed. He was a teacher for APS for a decade at Via Vista and Helen Cordero Elementary. Aldaz is appealing his conviction and sentence.